Hi, this is Nkechi from the Vent. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by to view my video. I believe it would empower you to create wealth. So we got a message from Ruth saying she would want to know how we wrapped the hat wire with the Ankara. So here is the video. Got a client who gave us her Ankara to make same Fascinator and also a hat for her hobby to be. So I did a quick one to get out the video. Let's dive in. What you would be needing is your hat wire 48 inches already joined together with thread. Then you will need your pieces of Ankara. Now the measurement of the Ankara used is 1.2 inches by 48 into 2. That's a total of 1.2 inches by 96 inches of length. So you sew this Ankara inside out and then turn it to the right side to form these lovely strips. Now all you need to do is take your uhu gum, put it on the hat wire and begin to wrap like this. So if you watch to the end, you would see how I did it. Now I'm going to loosen this a bit again because I know the best way to start is before the joining on either of the sides. Why? This will avoid it having a hump, as in being big over there. So watch and learn. Sorry, the camera went off a bit, but if you keep on watching, you will see it will come down and be much clearer, especially towards the end. And I would advise you stay to the end so you see how it's done, how you finalize it at the end. All right then, keep watching. If you have made this design of the satellite Ankara, the satellite Fascinator made with Ankara, please do drop in the comment section. Say, I have made it. Thank you. Gaining value from this video, press that like button. Just give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's take a small break. Okay, if you are new to this beautiful, lovely channel, that empowers you to create wealth, do subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you. Please do remember that the Vent Craft Academy is still ongoing. Yes, it's an ongoing process because you keep asking us to do more trainings outside of YouTube. So we keep on updating it. So if you want to know more on it, you click the link in the description. I'll put it there so you can get into the Vent Craft Academy reception and get to know more. So here we are finishing it, and that's how you finish your Ankara lovely wrapped hat wire, set to make that fantastic, unique satellite Fascinator that is making waves right now. I have 2 more to make this week. It's well, and this week's almost running. All right then, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Nah, I haven't let you go yet. See how it comes out. Isn't it looking gorgeous? Now you can make it with ordinary material. It doesn't have to be Ankara. Like the one I'm going to make now, the next one I'm making today, it's with normal material. Lovely, isn't it? Thank you.